Welcome to this next video in the 15 successes of a marketing master. Please do remember this is a playlist, so if you haven't watched the ones beforehand, please go back and watch those. All the links will be down below so that you can watch the entire playlist in succession. And I really hope you're enjoying it. Please leave a comment down below if you are enjoying this this course, and obviously if you're on YouTube, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you very much. Let's get started. Success number 3 is to climb the 5 mountains of clarity. When we're doing something with empathy maps and with something called design thinking, we have to really hone in on what is the customer's problem. So we've done our empathy, we're thinking about the customer, we've really got into the mind and we feel how the customer feels, we've trod our 100 paths. Now we're really trying to figure out what exactly is the problem that we're going to solve. So in design thinking, this would basically be our 5 whys. We are asking, why does this happen? Why do you feel that way? Why do you feel that way? Why does this happen? Why does this? We are climbing the 5 mountains of clarity. We want to know exactly what the problem is to our customer. And then we can structure our house of enchantment in order to solve that problem. We don't want to be all things to all men. We don't want to be just generic and therefore nothing to everybody. We want to be solving specific problems. Even with service businesses, we need to be solving problems in a specific, tangible way that we can structure into steps, and we can give the customer confidence that they can move forward on their journey with us. So we're going to climb the 5 mountains of clarity. We're going to ask why. Why is that important to you, customer? And why is that important to you? And why is that important to you? And we can really dive deep down and get to that essence of exactly the problem that we're solving. And that then moves us on to our next success.